Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am in Lincolnshire. This is a very lovely place, and it's your first time to see this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's very important. So I am here. I'm only trying to show you guys how this place look, which is gonna give you the opportunity to come to Lincoln if you have never been to Lincoln before. So it got a lot of places you can just go and have a drink. There's a Sky Bar on my there. There's a Sky Bar there, so you could come here and be able to spend your time if you choose to do that. And it's a very lovely place if you have never been here. There's a lot of designer shop. There's a lot of places you could buy stuff you need as well. There's a lot of places, they have one of the places here, one of the church here as well. It's kind of called the Lincoln Cathedral, which a lot of people have been on this